Hey guys, welcome back. Today let's see how to perfectly set thick curd at home, same as we buy from market. For that I have taken 2 cups of milk and 2 tablespoons curd. Make sure the curd you are using is in room temperature. Do not add refrigerated curd directly to the milk while making curd. First, we have to boil milk on medium flame. Stir occasionally and bring it to boil. This has boiled. Now turn off the gas flame and allow it to cool down slightly. We want lukewarm milk. Now into curd add 2 tablespoons milk and mix well. Pour this to milk and give it a good mix. Next, take a container in which you have to store curd. Pour curd mixture into this container. Now cover and keep it in a warm place for 8 hours. If you are staying in a colder place, then cover container with blanket and keep, or else turn on oven slide and keep curd inside it for 8 hours. Without disturbing curd, keep it in refrigerator for 3 hours. Do not keep it in freezer, keep it in fridge. So you can see our thick curd is ready. If you like today's recipe, then do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching Cooking Mojo.